Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. In the high-stakes world of U.S. Air Force operations, survival training isn't just an option, it's a lifeline. Pilots undergo rigorous survival training, not merely as a formality, but as an imperative. The training equips them with the skills and mindset to navigate the harshest circumstances should they find themselves stranded after a crash. This demanding regimen isn't just about survival, it's about thriving when the odds are stacked against you. So why is it done? And why is it so crucial? Survival training is done with unwavering dedication to ensure that the Air Force personnel can overcome adversity when their aircraft meets unforeseen challenges. It's about cultivating resilience and resourcefulness. With survival as their ultimate goal, these programs instill essential knowledge and techniques.
5 points continent, and just let that momentum carry over, don't fight it. Excellent, you're on break. Bring everything to you.
These men and women learn to adapt to the wilderness, find sustenance, and evade potential threats. But above all, they learn to trust their instincts and each other. In this dynamic world, where every second counts, the significance of survival training cannot be overstated. As pilots face the possibility of crash landing in diverse terrains, one of the most challenging scenarios is navigating dense jungles. Survival in a jungle environment demands an entirely different skill set. This is where the Jungle Operations Training Course, or JOTC, comes into play. JOTC is an intensive 12-day program meticulously designed to prepare our Air Force personnel for the unique challenges of the jungle. The course covers jungle mobility training, waterborne operations, combat tracking, jungle tactics, survival training, and situational training exercises at the squad level. The lessons learned here can be the difference between life and death in an unforgiving jungle setting. While the Jungle Operations Training Course equips pilots with essential skills, their ability to survive in the jungle is further fortified by the tools at their disposal. In these demanding situations, every pilot carries a crucial piece of equipment known as a crash kit. These kits are not just a standard issue, they're a lifeline. Each pilot's crash kit contains specialized gear and supplies tailored to enhance their chances of survival and navigation in the unforgiving jungle terrain. The jungle presents its own set of challenges. Pilots also receive specialized training in another critical aspect of survival, mastering the art of lateral drift. This training, formerly known as Aerospace Physiology Part 3, lateral drift training, is a pivotal component of their preparation. In the event of an aircraft mishap, especially those involving ejections or parachute landings, the ability to control lateral drift can be life-saving. It's not just about deploying a parachute, it's about precision and control in the face of adversity. Before pilots even take flight, there's a critical aspect that demands unwavering attention: egress systems. These systems are the backbone of emergency procedures, ensuring airmen can safely eject from the aircraft when facing life-threatening situations. The responsibility of maintaining and coordinating seats, hatches, canopies, and modules falls into the capable hands of aircrew egress systems specialists. These dedicated professionals leave no room for error, meticulously inspecting and fine-tuning every component to perfection.
Good, keep going. Safety ties on right hand, drogue riser leg.
The reliability of these systems can mean the difference between life and death. Thus, their maintenance is executed precisely before each flight, ensuring that pilots can count on them in times of crisis. While pilots are extensively trained to survive various crash scenarios, the development of ejection seats introduced a unique challenge: testing the human body's ability to withstand high G-forces during rapid ejection and deceleration. In 1949, a team of dedicated Air Force scientists and engineers embarked on an extraordinary journey to explore this realm. They utilized rocket-propelled sleds to subject brave volunteers to extreme deceleration speeds. Unfortunately, due to technical faults, data from these early tests were not recorded as intended. This unforeseen turn of events led to the birth of the famous Murphy's Law, which humorously states that anything that can go wrong will go wrong. This fascinating chapter in aviation history not only highlights the importance of meticulous testing, but also serves as a testament to the resilience and determination of those who seek to make aviation safer for all. Survival in the open ocean presents unique challenges, and pilots are well aware of the importance of water survival training. In preparation for the possibility of a crash in ocean waters, they undergo a comprehensive training program.
Full love. Yeah.
This training doesn't just involve theoretical knowledge, it's hands-on and rigorous. Imagine being dragged by jet skis, simulating the experience of being pulled around in the water while attached to an open parachute. Or having to swim about 100 feet to shore after jumping from a boat. These are just some demanding exercises pilots face during water survival training.
Oh, I'm soaking it with water.
They're taught not only how to stay afloat, but also how to escape from underneath their parachute while in open water. It's about equipping them with the skills and confidence needed to overcome the formidable challenges of ocean survival. Beyond mastering survival techniques on land and in jungles, pilots also receive rigorous training for a scenario that presents its own set of challenges: water survival. This specialized training ensures they're well prepared if they ever find themselves in the ocean after a crash.
Good? Good? No, try to stay there, stay there. Exercise number 2. Good.
You don't have to be a good surface swimmer. You don't have to be able to set record 500s or record 100s, but you need to be comfortable under the water, upside down, with gear, just learning to calm down.
The curriculum covers a wide range of skills, from simulating the disorientation of being pulled around in the water while attached to an open parachute, to essential swimming lessons that conclude with pilots making a 100-foot swim to shore. Moreover, they learn the crucial art of escaping from underneath their parachute while in open water. For helicopter pilots, a separate but equally vital program known as underwater egress training imparts the confidence and skills needed to safely and efficiently exit a submerged aircraft in the event of a water landing. The dedication, ingenuity, and unwavering commitment of U.S. fighter pilots to their training are a testament to their extraordinary resilience. From jungle survival skills to mastering lateral drift, maintaining egress systems, and even facing unpredictable outcomes of rocket sled testing, these brave individuals are prepared for the unexpected. We salute these brave men and women who stand ready to defend their skies and their nation. That's the end of this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.